In this video, I will share with you how to get your SumUp bank statement. So friends, all you have to do, log in your account in your SumUp. This is the first step you need to do, log in here. After that, open your SumUp profile. This is your profile, as you can see here. All you have to do, friends, select business accounts and then select your payments. Choose your payments from here, payments, or choose invoice. This is the option here. Click on invoice. When you click on invoice, click on download statement as a PDF. So you will see your statement like this, and then look for PDF download and then download as a PDF. Just click your invoice from here and then choose download as a PDF. This is two steps. Log in your accounts here and then choose a payment or view details, and then click on download your statement as a PDF. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this